In this video, you already have access to some of the best products currently available from US warehouses. These are premium products that ship quickly and have shipping costs under $5, which is very affordable for reaching potential customers. Now, we will focus on marketing these products by copying them and uploading them to social media platforms. This method allows you to approach your products and potential customers in a simpler and more effective way. By adding products through the import function, all items can be successfully included in your store or platform without complications. Next, it is important to register and share the product links on social media. This step helps you reach a broader audience across different platforms and allows you to observe which products attract the most attention. By monitoring customer engagement, you can gather valuable insights for testing your market without spending any money upfront. Following this strategy ensures that you can test multiple products efficiently, understand customer preferences, and optimize your approach before committing to larger advertising budgets. The key is to leverage free platforms, simplify product uploads, and systematically observe what generates interest. By applying this method, you can effectively test your dropshipping products with minimal risk and gain practical market insights. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.